The LCall field instructions call the field subroutine to be executed. Upon completion, the return instruction returns the program to the instruction just after the LCall field. When the second LCall field is encountered, the program jumps to the field subroutine again. Upon completion, the return instructions returns the program to the instruction just after the LCall field. How does the same return instruction causes the program to branch to different parts of the program? Let's take a look at the assembly listing of the program. This is the field subroutine. This is how the program jumps to the subroutine and then returns from it. The stack pointer is initially pointing to the stack at location 07. When the first LCall field instruction is executed, the processor stores the returns address 0007 onto the stack. This is the instruction to be returned to after executing the LCall field. Its address is 007. This is called the return address. The return address is now stored in the stack. The stack pointer is now at 09. The processor then replaces the program counter with the address of field, which is 0017. The program continues execution from location 0017. The program continues execution from code location 0017 until it reaches the return instruction. When the return instruction is executed, 2 bytes are taken from the stack and are placed in the program counter. The stack pointer goes back to 07. The program counter is 0007. Program jumps to code location 0007. Program continues execution from code location 0007. The program encounters another LCall field instruction. The return address 000E is stored into the stack. The program counter becomes 0017. Program jumps to code location 0017 and continues execution from there. program continues to run until it hits the return instruction. 2 bytes are taken from the stack and placed in the program counter. The program counter becomes 000E. The stack pointer becomes 07. Program jumps to code location 000E. Can you understand how the subroutine call and the return instructions work? A push instruction is added to the subroutine. How does it affect the operation of the program? After executing the lcall field instruction, the return address is stored in a stack. The stack pointer changes to 09. Program jumps to the field subroutine and continues to run from there. Observe what happens when the push 50 instruction in the field subroutine is executed. The data 12 is pushed into the stack and the stack pointer is adjusted. The program continues to run until it reaches the return instruction. When the return instruction is executed, 2 bytes are taken from the stack as the return address. The 2 bytes taken are 12 and 00. These 2 bytes are placed in the program counter. Where is the next instruction to be executed? Code at location 1200. Where is that? Why does the return instruction not return to where it's supposed to go? The problem is due to the return instruction getting the wrong address. 1200 is a wrong address. The correct location is supposed to be 0007. What causes the return instruction to get the wrong address? This is where the return address is stored. The push 50 instruction has shifted the stack pointer to 0A, causing the wrong return address to be fetched. In using subroutine, messing up the stack may result in the subroutine not being able to return.